bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesiota. The programs we are watching today, is Kini Show television, and my phone number is on the screen. 08108431336. 08108431336 is on the screen. Some people normally call me after watching the program. Can I have your phone number? Can I have your WhatsApp number? This is the WhatsApp number you will send your message to. We don't receive calls. We don't receive calls on this line. Because I cannot be attending to people on this line and at the same time receiving calls from Baba Oloyin Original Television. So with only WhatsApp messages are allowed here. Yes, you can send your messages. You can send your WhatsApp messages here. Today, I want to tell you, if you have problems in your marriage and your marriage is about to break, some people, they don't enjoy their marriage. They don't. The wife is just managing because of people. You don't want people to talk bad of her. And some men, they are not enjoying marriages as well. Do you believe some people can be behind it? Some people can be working against you. The mattress you are using to sleep, the donation, the gift they gave you in your marriage, maybe it's one of the things. I've told you that one. Watch my past videos. Some people, they donated work cloth gift. Then, since that day, you have been doing like this. Sometimes after the marriage of 3 or 6 months, the husband will lose job. The wife will lose job. The petty training they are doing, nothing. Sarah, you need to take care and watch. Be prayerful and watchful. It's in the Bible. I will teach you, I will tell you what you can do if you are always having problems in the marriage. Either it is spiritual or it is just from the side of the husband or wife. Get seated. Don't forget I'm the publisher of this book, African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems. I told you in African Power book how you can protect your property. How you can protect your properties is in this book. I called my junior brother from my village. I said I should do this one inside this book. Nobody disturb him on his farm land again. Yes. Gbogbo suko nem fi pupa jẹ. Gbogbo igi kọ́là máa ń dá kọjá. Gbogbo ọ̀pẹ kọ́là kọ̀pẹ máa ń gùn. All those people carry cow, carry fowl around. They will not enter your farmland. If you do this one, it's inside African Power book. Yes, he said nobody disturb him on his farmland again. See, if you prepare it, you put it inside your car. Safe journey. I told you in African Power part 1 that is currently in the market how you can use orange peas. A person. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human being that you go and find it. They labor themselves before they find it. Breast enlargement. If you don't get breast, clothes will not get fitting on your head or in your body. You won't get body fitting with any type of dress you put on. How to get breast enlargement, penis enlargement is in African Power Part 1 that is selling currently. Part 2 is on the way. You will see African Power Part 2 by the special grace of God by December. It will be out. These rules to reduce sugar level, diabetes, rheumatism, arthritis is the same route we are using for them. I usually tell to some people, they say it's diabetes we saw, we didn't see rheumatism. It's the same route we are going to use, and they are now thanking God for it. See this one. Yoruba call it Efodu. Yes. You will see it. The English name, botanical name, you will see it in my new book, African Power Part 2. You want to get popular. You want to be famous. You are a musician. You are a trader. You are a presenter, radio and television. You want people to know you. You want to be popular. Odu is Simon Foloko. How you can use these leaves? You get the names and the botanical names in the new book, African Power Part 2. Don't forget, the program you are watching, as I'm saying, is Kenny Show. My phone number is on the screen, 08108431336. Now, back to what I told you. If you always have problems in your marriage, you have problems in your marriage. Things are not working. The husband just complaining, suffering and smiling. The wife suffering and smiling. The wife don't want to go and stay alone. Just managing. You are managing each other. Maybe the problem is from both of you or external problems. Because some people, they don't know how to keep secret. My husband told me we are going to Dubai next year. We are going to London December. We are going to do Christmas in America, Canada. You are saying that in the presence of a woman that have no husband, or who has been divorced by the husband for the past 5 years. Do you think that person will be happy with you? Take that off your mouth and you know kobelo me. Some people, apart from witches and wizards, they used to get problem by themselves. They don't know how to keep secret. They only. My husband want to buy a car for me in December. My husband promised to buy me a house at Lekki Aja. The husband will begin to hate you. Stop it, yo. Stop it. We don't put all our clothes in the sun at the same time. But if that is not your own case, you are not the type that normally say talk, and you just observe that this thing is happening. Sometimes it may be your mother. Your mother wants you to marry church member. You refuse. Either you're a man or you're gay. Your mother say, I made the duty me, woman, you refuse to marry for your church. The problem can come from that side. But whatever or however it comes, this is the solution. Plantain. That small one is banana. This is plantain. That when you want to do dodo, you can fry it and make your dodo with it. This is plantain. You will cut it into two like this. You will write the name of your husband. If you want to do it by yourself, your name and your husband. Like this, I am Ṣẹ́gun Ọlọ́runṣògo. Ṣẹ́gun Ọlọ́runṣògo plus Ìyábọ̀ Ọlọ́runtìmílẹ́yìn. Ṣẹ́gun Ọlọ́runṣògo plus Ìyábọ̀ Ọlọ́runtìmílẹ́yìn. You are Ìyábọ̀. Your husband name is Ṣẹ́gun Ọlọ́runṣògo. You mentioned the name of your husband. Whether Sesan Adewusi, you write it. You know the name of your husband, I don't know. Your own name, Yabo. I write Yabo as a sample. You write your own name. Then you fold it like this. You fold it. Fold it. Then put it inside banana like this. So get the bag that you know. You do it like this. When you do it like this, you can get a sellotape or you get a nylon. Wrap it very well. Then you go and bury it in a place where nobody will go and pick it anyhow. The gate, all this thing, after some time, it will disappear with the soil. That paper, that plantain, put it there. Don't open it again. Put it in a place where when you want to do anything in your house, they will not touch that area. It will remain there. If you like, you can repeat it once in a year, if you like. But once you have done it, God is there. You pray on it. Don't forget, prayer is the most important thing of life. You pray. I don't want my marriage to break you. This the way this my husband is doing. I don't want to lose him. God, help us save our marriage. You talk to it. When you put this paper, you pray on it. I don't want my marriage to break. The husband can do for the wife can do on behalf of the husband. You do it together. If you are a mother in Nigeria, your children, they are married, they are now in university country, and the news you are hearing is not very pleasant to your ear, you can do it as well on their behalf. I don't want the marriage of my daughter with Mr. So to collapse. Do it. By the special grace of God, you will thank God. This is the phone number 08108431336. Wait for African Power Part 2 by December, by the special grace of God. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.